Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the Bitcoin update. If you guys remember that, we were expecting Bitcoin to drop from that daily top, all right? So let me bring that chart. So it's dropping from that top, all right? And in recent video analysis, we were expecting it to break out far more downside. Okay, so let me bring back that previous video analysis, and then we're going to talk about what's next, what we may see on Bitcoin for the next move. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward that. Section you are watching over there for specifically for the downside on the Bitcoin. Okay, you need very aggressive breakout. If breakout is going to be very aggressive, then you are looking trying to continue. Otherwise, there if you are looking continuation trade on the Bitcoin at current price, there is slightly a risk. I mean, a risk exists over there for the downside, all right? Because price is trying to find its bottom. People still believe that it is going to hold its floor somewhere, at 40 or 42, and then going to continue to keep pushing more higher, all right? So all these people are just guessing that price going to hold these levels and going to continue to keep pushing more higher, yeah? So based on our structure, based on our pattern, we still see more room to the downside, right? We still see more room to the downside on Bitcoin, okay? And it says that we may visit that low again. So we are having, other coins, all right? Other like, ADA is simply visiting this low, all right? This previous bottom, we had similar structure over there, all right? And ADA is just tagging. I was showing short on the ADA as well from this previous top, all right? So if other coins keeps falling, then Bitcoin will also gonna follow them too, all right? So keep that thing in mind. And if I'm gonna look at the 1 hour time frame, so room is still there. So as said, you are watching aggressive breakouts, okay? Not corrective breakouts, aggressive breakouts, something like that, okay? If that comes, then you are looking this to just keep dragging all the way back to that low. So slightly a risky trade. If you know how to take it, how to trade it, then you can trade, yeah? So if you are buying based on just these lows, okay? And based on, just hoping that price is going to hold these areas and going to reverse for the upside, yeah? So these supports may break down aggressively to the downside, all right? So think twice before going to buy just based on support and resistance, okay? So trend is bearish and it is setting up for another breakout to the downside, okay? In case if that breakout is not going to come on 1 hour time frame and price is going to get a bigger correction over there, all right? So if I'm going to pull out bars pattern and going to take that there, okay? So if it gets bigger, still it's going to be a correction for more downside, right? Back to that previous low at least. So your short-term target going to be this previous low 42 mark first, all right? Correction gets bigger. So right now there is a correction on 1 hour time frame. You're looking at that to break down, and once price gonna break down that 1 hour time frame correction and visit the 42, then it will just keep breaking all the way back to that previous low 30k. All right, so that was the previous video analysis on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this daily chart is still showing that we may visit this previous low, okay, 30k. That is the place where we may see, next bullish leg, right? I'm anticipating a buy opportunity over there for longer term. All right, that's next. All right, so that's gonna come later on. So as said in the previous video analysis, you were looking this previous 1 hour time frame correction to break out. Okay, so it broken out. It slightly got bigger, all right, and then broke out. So it's breaking out and trying to continue its previous trend all the way back to the previous low. Okay, so breakout is just there, but breakout is slightly slower than the previous breakouts. Okay, previous one was just simply a crash, we can say over there. Okay, so what's next? Okay, our analysis is very much same like the previous one. Okay, if I'm gonna make it more simple, the moving averages. Okay, so price to stay below those moving averages. Okay, so if I'm gonna, some people are asking what numbers you are looking on moving averages, what settings are there. Okay, so there you can get these moving averages from my trading view profile. Just check my scripts, all right? So you're gonna get these moving averages from there. So next is, okay, so this breakout to continue, visit that 42 first, all right? And from 42 we may see another leg higher like that back to that 52 mark, a flat formation, okay? And then again one more drop to the downside. That's secondary. Okay, the first is the wave to complete at this 42, and then possible change in pattern formation. Okay, strong aggressive breakout gonna definitely continue. We're not gonna have flat then. Okay, this aggressive breakout gonna continue to keep dragging more lower. All right, so if the breakout which which we are having right now, if this breakout is not going to continue all the way up to 42, okay, then simply go for triangle. All right, so if I'm gonna change that structure slightly, then simply go for flat or triangle, whatever you want to call that. Okay, so I'm gonna draw flat rather than, you know, triangle. So flat. Okay, then go for a flat, all the moving averages, this top, okay, and then again drag lower. All right, so again, how this trend gonna change once we're gonna have aggressive breakout of that trend for more upside. Okay, then this bearish trend gonna change. So I'm anticipating that. I'm anticipating it to just keep dragging lower, finish the move back at least up to the 42 first, okay, and how it is going to do at 42. Either we are going to have a flat for more downside, or it is going to clear the 42 for 30k mark. All right, so thank you. Hope that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.